Hey guys, here's 3 different Sage slow orb lineups for backside on Haven C. For the right side, stand against this box, aim slightly above the top hole and jump throw. Anybody behind or to the side of this box will be slowed. For CT, come to this corner here, aim at the corner of the roof here and jump left click shoot. This will slow down enemy backup. Lastly, to get the top left corner, stand against the back wall, move left and aim at the top of these floating leaves from the tree. Then just left click shoot.